Nice.
Morata su uscita del portiere, lascia Ronaldo, porta vuota, Ronaldo la prende Morata.
Easy!
Il colpo di tacco! Cosa? Hey, what happened? Monte! Ragazzi, incredibile! Bonucci.
Is this a chance to win the game for Aston Villa? Still the Rasmussen keeps his feet. And that has got to be a penalty and a red card. Stephen Taylor almost on the line. And Newcastle down to 10 men. Instinctive play from
Pastaraisiais metais Kauno Žalgiris, tiksliau Vilniaus Žalgiris taurėje keliaudavo toli, o čia iš tikrųjų štai tokia.